So use of the logarithms in numerical calculation. First, find 6.3 into 1.29. The value is given like this, mean 6. See here the x is what? X is equal to 6.3 and into 1.29. So we have to find out the log x. That's mean taking off log. Log x is equal to what? Log of 6.3 multiplication. So it's addition. That's mean then log of 1.29. Taking off log, that is log 6.3. The log 6.3 you have to see 63 0. That is in log table 63 and 0. So 63 is here. Then the this is anti-logarithm, logarithms here. 63, the 0 value is 793 and 7993. Log of 63 characteristic, you have to write first the characteristic. Before that point only one digit, so minus one digit 0. So the characteristic will become 0. See 0.7993. So this is the log value. The similar way log 1.29. So log 1.29, this means here also the same. The characteristics is what? Here one digit, so it will become 0. That is 0.12. You have to take the log into 12 into 9. That's mean a row of 12. Say log 12. The next number is what? 9. 12 into 9. That's mean 1106. 1106. Now you can find that log x is equal to log of 6.3 is what? 0.7993 and the log value is what? That is 0.1106. So log x will become, adding of these two value, you will get that is 0.9099. Okay, that's adding of these two value. So this is for log x. Then we have to find x. So x means what? That is anti-log of, taking anti-log of that is value. So 0.9099. So anti-log of value means what? Take anti-log for this. So anti-log means you have to take the mantissa value in this here after point decimal. So anti-log of 90. So anti-log of 90 is here. Anti-log of 90 and the 98110 and the mean difference is 9. The mean difference is 9. So 17. 8110 and the mean difference is what? 17. So 8127. So x is equal to what? 8.127. The 10 power, it will become what? 10 power 0. 10 power 0 is what? 1. So that you can leave it 8.127. The x value is, this is the correct answer. Then we can see that one more example. Use of logarithms, that find 1.23 power 1.5 divided by 11.2 into 23.5. So how to find? That is, you can tell, right? X is equal to what? That is 1.23 1.5. It will become what? 1.5. That will become, you can write 3 by 2. 3 by 2, the 1 point between, so 3 divided by 2, that is 1.5. That is why I am writing like this. Then 11.2 into 23.5. So this is the value. When log of x is equal to what? X is equal to this. So log of x is equal to what? So log of x is equal, that means log of that full value. So 1.23 into power 3 by 2, 11.2 into 23.5. So using of this, we can write like this. So log of this is numerator and this is the denominator. So the numerator value, so using of second law, the formula, division means you have to use the subtraction formula. That is log power n, that is p power n means n log p. So the same value you have to follow here. That means 3 by 2 log 1.23. Then this is the division value, so that using of the negative minus sign, and log of 11.2 into 23.5. So here the 11.2 into 23.5, that means that is we can write the total value 3 by 2 log of 1.23 minus log of 11.2 minus 23.5. So now the log of 1.23, just take this log of 1.23 will become taking of log all these value, already I said the same thing, just you will get 0.0899. So 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2 log of 1.23, it will become what? The value is taking of log 0.1345. So log of that is 11.2 value is what? 11. I will tell you that log of 11.2. So 11.2 value is 20453. Logarithms 11 to 0492. So 0492. What is that characters? 2 digits, so that 1 point. So 1.0492. Then log of 23.5. So 23 log of 23.5. So what is that characteristics? 2, so that 1 point. 23 is 5 in 23 5. This is the 5. 3711. Sorry, 3711. So this is the log of 1.2, 11.2 and the log of this. So you can take that log of value, that is log x is equal to, already we found, that is 0.45, that is 413,485. Sorry, this here 485. Then minus of that what? Log of 11.2. So taking of this minus 1.0492 minus 1.3711. So you will be getting that value as minus 3. So it will become 3 bar 0.71455. Then x is equal to anti-log of what? 71. 71 4, the mean difference is 5. So 71 for anti-log of 71 is here. Anti-log of 71, and the value 4 is what? 4 is 5176, and the mean difference is 5. The mean difference 5 is what? 6. So 71 5188 plus 6 5188 plus 6, so it will become 5194. So 5.9 51, so 5.194 into 10 power minus 3. So this is the value of log x value. So this is the using of the log second root. Okay, or you can write that x value is what, that is 0.03 minus 3, so that 0.005194. We will check it, the value 551, that is in 71, anti-log of 71 4, anti-log of 71 4, sorry student, 71 4 is 5176, not 5188, 5176, and the b difference is 6. So here 6272, so 5172, 5172, that's mean 5172. This is the value. You can write like this or this. So this is the methods of using logarithms calculations. So find, next is root of 71.24 power 5 into root of 56 divided by 2.3 power 7 into root of 21. So this is the value. So first we have to find this calculation, mean using of log, x is equal to what, this. So log x is equal to, then it will become what, the root value is 1 by 2, root of root inside a root means it will become 1 by 4. So just writing like this, the log x is equal to 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into log of, taking this 71.24 power 5 into root 56 divided by 2.3 power 7 into root 21. So finding of this value, so here this 1 by 2 log of, this is subdivision type. So division type means you have to use the log of 71.24 power 5. This is multiplication using of this log of root 56. Then division means these two values multiplication and these two values division. So these two value, multiplication value should adding, division value should subtracting, so that minus sign. Then log of 2.3 power 7, that in so here what, x is given here, that is, sorry, into that means plus root, that is log of root 21. Then adding of these two values like this means, that is 1 by 2, it will become what, 5 power 5, so that 5 by 2 you can write like this, 5 by, because of power is 5 by 2 log of 71.24 plus already this is root of root, so that it will become 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 log of 56 minus 7, so 7 by 2, so 7 by 2 log of 2.3 minus again, that is sorry, plus, that is 1 by 4 to log of 21. Okay student, then now using this tables we can find the value of this, sorry, this is the minus value, it's wrongly put, plus just minus value because of that minus sign, division. So log of, we have to take every value of log. So log of 71.24 is log of 71.24, you can check it in log table, that is 1 point, the characteristics is 2 digits, so that 1, so 1.8527, and the log 56 value is 1, characteristics 1, then 7482, then log 2.3, log 2.3 value is 2, so its characteristics will be 0, 3617, and log 21, that is characteristics 1, 1.3222. So now you can find it, that is log of x, that is log x is equal to 5 by 2 into log of 1.8527 plus 1 by 4. This not log, no need to log. Okay. 1.7482 minus 7 by 2, 0.3617 minus 1 by 4, 1.3222. So simplifying, you will get the value is 3.4723. So log x is equal to this. So x is equal to what? Anti-log of this. Anti-log of value is, you will be getting that value is 2.967 into 10 power 3, or you can write 2694. So this is the value. Thank you, student.